have three simple ingredients for a happy life. All you need to do is eat, drink, and prank. It is the recipe for a life well lived. Something just doesn't taste right.
What?
Yeah, it tastes good anyways.
But does it really?
You like your cream cheese bagel?
Get me a new one.
Why?
You like toothpaste.
Toothpaste?
Something is amiss. I put mustard in it.
Okay, so there's the science experiment that if you put salt on ketchup, it's supposed to turn it hot.
I remember learning about this in school.
Nang maparamdam mo sa kanya na binibili mo siya, alam mo nakaka-insulto yun, Kian eh. Ano akala mo sa akin? Mabibili mo ako ng ganun-ganun lang?
Someone substituted his orange juice with raw egg. No! At least he's a good sport about it.
Hurry up, go change. You gotta go to school.
Whipped cream for little sis. And some for big brother.
Ayan naman eh, kasi nung manang ako, ang dami-dami yung sinasabi. Ngayon nagdamit ako ng ganito, may parinig pa din. Ba't ba ako nalang palagi yung target? Reminder ha?